Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing batteries so nothing powers the board. Use a T8 security bit for the 5 hidden screws, then a plastic pry tool to release the faceplate clips. Work slowly around the perimeter. You want to avoid breaking the plastic tabs. Once the shell is loose, lift the rear cover gently and set it aside. Make sure to keep screws separated by size in a tray so you know where each one returns during reassembly. You now remove the battery tray and the screws securing the internal PCB so you can lift it slightly. Once lifted, carefully disconnect ribbon cables and the stick module connector. Note their orientation for correct reattachment. Inspect the analog stick pot for dirt, hair, or a torn rubber. This is often the cause of drift. If debris is present, blow and use isopropyl on a cotton swab gently. If the pot or solder joints look damaged, prepare for replacement or reflow. You should now replace the faulty stick module or reflow the solder on its legs, then reconnect the ribbon cables and lower the PCB back into place. Reinstall all screws in their original holes and reattach the faceplate. Power on the controller and calibrate the sticks in the console or PC settings to confirm correction. If you still see drift, inspect solder joints for cold joints and either resolder or install a new potentiometer. That usually resolves persistent drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.